today's topic is electrical load list.
We have defined in a different way. Okay, so here I'll show you. You can define it in any ways. You see that here we are classifying into in the different way C1, C2, C3. Critical load, semi-critical. This is like critical is equal to vital. Semi-critical is equal to that emergency load. Non-critical is equal to like a normal load, right? That one. You see that critical, how we are defining it here. So see, critical load or vital load, you could say that if it is interrupted, even if it is momentarily, if it interrupts, it will cause upset to the continuity of the process. Momentarily, even if it interrupts, there are some process. Even if it momentarily it interrupts, the output of that particular product will not be as expected. There are some process, it is like that. So that is why process plants are very critical, and your chemical engineer will say that because of that electrical system only, the product doesn't come as expected. Okay, so we have to be very conscious, and accordingly you have to design it. So those loads you have to put it in a vital category or C1, whichever way you want. Second, you see that semi-critical loads, wherein here you have to provide a backup supply in case of grid failure, right? You see that here these loads can be interrupted for smaller duration, like 2 to 3 minutes, without causing any upsets to the process. Those loads you have to categorize it. How do you categorize it? Each and every load you have to review it, you have to discuss it, and you have to allot the categorization first. Right? I'll go step by step. First, we need to understand categories. Then we need to find out, we have to get the input from process team, and based on that, you have to categorize it one by one. Right? For that, we need to know how we are categorizing it. That is very important, right? Non-critical is something like it can be interrupted for many hours, so that nobody is going to get affected. So those like for example, see in the plant there will be an office. Even if it is interrupted, that is okay. Nothing is going to get impacted, right? So, but these two are very, very important, right? So this one you should be able to categorize it. That's what I'm trying to say.